Are you a recent college graduate with the dreams of walking into your own home soon? Well, perhaps you have the weight of student loans weighing you down, or the thought of student loans. But what if I told you that, despite of all the challenges around that, homeownership actually might be closer and more within reach than you might imagine? So you see, the journey of buying a house is not just for those free of student debt. In fact, there's a dedicated path crafted specifically for students and recent graduates just like you. So consider a few things. Loans like FHA, for instance, supported by Federal Housing Administration. These loans are designed with flexibility in mind. Even if you're starting out and building your credit, you can have a lower credit than typical. You can have a higher debt to income ratio and still qualify for FHA. And for those with military service or ties to the National Guard, might be eligible for a VA loan, and this might be worth exploring. These will accommodate for higher debt to income ratios than typical loans, and they might be overlooked with some lenders that may not offer the VA loan to you. So moreover, Fannie Mae has stepped up their tailor-made solutions, and Freddie Mac. They're to help people grappling with student debt, from options to assist with. There's other things that we can do to help with possibly refinancing student loans. Could be a strategy to help you qualify for the home easier. There's different ways to qualify how much we use for the monthly payment as the student loan debt. So it's super important that we come up with a strategy around it. And don't forget, there are state-specific programs that might be helpful as well and might help out for first-time home buyers in different cities. These can be a huge opportunity. We do have programs for first responders. We also have programs for medical professionals that might be able to be more flexible around the debt payment and student loan payments. So really the first step is to get pre-approved, but more than just pre-approval, you need to get a strategy to figure out how to make get the best loan for your situation. Then you get the pre-approval with the strategy, and that's really your golden ticket. It's not only to outline what you can afford, but all the positions and how it's going to work with your situation, and then position you as a credible buyer in the real estate market to increase your offer acceptance rate as well and getting the house you like. The key factor of this is the lender is going to look at your debt to income ratio. So this is a little percentage number that gives insight on how much money you earn and what's dedicated to your debts. So the lower the number is, the better your chances. So I always aim between about 45 to 50% of this. So let's just say your income's $10,000 and you want all your debts, auto loans, credit cards, any other debt that's going to show up, student loans on your credit report. You want all of that below 50%. So if your gross income is $10,000, you want all of your income or all of your debts to be 50% of your income. So it'd be $5,000. That's a rough number. So we don't factor in things like, splurges on the weekends or, weekend getaways, things you're spending money on. It's really your monthly bills and what's going to show up on the credit report. So the bottom line here is take charge of your situation, dive into the world of home loans, explore options. We have other videos explaining different situations. And when you're ready, let's talk. Go to mortgagestrategycall.com, so we can put a plan together for you. Thanks for watching. If anybody else has any student debts or they're struggling and they want some more information, please forward this video, like, comment, and share, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.